just regular old Nicki. This is renovated old Nicki. Like we gotta bring her out to this day, to 2020. Old Nicki is coming back to 2020 right now, okay? I don't know who I think I am right now, but apparently I'm Nicki now.
A little bit of this, a little bit of that. Join Naysa in your peak life.
Hello, beautiful people. It's your girl Naysa, and I hope you've been having a wonderful day. So today, I'm going to be doing an old Nicki Minaj makeover. So I indeed am a barb. I have been since I was 11. In 6th grade, I was learning all the Nicki verses and always, checking up on her, see what Nicki's doing, what she's wearing, all that stuff. A lot of people like to compare how Nicki looked in like 2010, 2011 to like now, and it really is different. They're saying that how she looks now is like way better than now. Like it's she looks good. It's got that natural full glam, and it's I like it. I love it. But I also really do appreciate how she looked then. Like, I liked the crazy eyeshadow and the colorful lipsticks. This really spoke to me because I am someone who likes to dress colorful and like tacky or whatever. And even though technically this was like not really her, like this was, her makeup artist and her stylist like deciding what she should look like or whatever, like for her image, I still really like it, even though it's definitely different from the Nicki today. Let's start with this tutorial. So this makeup look can go many different ways, but what I've noticed, like if you Google, Nicki Minaj 2011, there is one theme that just keeps repeating itself, which is blue eyeshadow and bubblegum pink lipstick. So the first thing I'm gonna do is prime my eyelids with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus eyeshadow primer, which is the only eyeshadow primer that I use because it's the only one that, like, I have greasy eyelids, so this one makes sure that like my eyeshadow doesn't crease from the oil that my eyelids produce. And now we're gonna go straight into foundation. So this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick in the color Cool Earth, and this is my favorite one. So I know like when it came out, it didn't have like that many great reviews, but for me, it is perfect. It's got this natural finish and it's really close to my skin tone. So I like to match my foundation to my neck and then use the highlighter to match, the rest of my face to my chest. So that's how I do it. Okay, foundation is on, so now we're going to put on concealer. The concealer I use is the Nicka K New York HD Concealer in the shade Lion. And this is like $2, or is it $1? I don't know. It's like $2 from the store I buy it from. And it does the job really well. So Nicki has always had like a strong contour, so I'm definitely going to go all the way today. That's not straight, but that's okay. Yeah, I'm gonna fix that. Okay. Right here. Boom. Okay, highlight is blended. So I'm gonna set that with my Black Radiance contour palette. And I use this shade right here to set the highlight. Okay, and now we're gonna do like a bit of contour using the Saharan blush palette in the shade Abby. And I know it looks a mess, but anyways. So I don't have too many contour options because it's hard finding a contour color dark enough for me. So this one works, but it's like super red, and so I always have to be super careful because it's also really pigmented. So I'm gonna do a little dippy dap. Another little dippy dap. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that. That is super red. It's a bronzer, TBH, but whatever. Mind you, this was like one little tap and it's already like this dark. Okay, that's as contoured as it's gonna get because I kind of tend to keep it light. So now we're getting into the fun part, the eye makeup. Woo! So in my Juvia's Play Zulu palette, this is the bluest blue that I have. So how we did colorful makeup then and now is actually a lot different. Like it used to just be on the eyelids, but now like your eyeshadow can like go all the way down to your cheeks. So that's what we're gonna do to adapt it to this time. Woo! But first, we gotta make the crease. Okay, I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in the shade Medium Tawny. There we go. Y'all thought back then that Nicki's makeup was too much, but now we're really gonna do too much. So I'm just gonna do the thing now and get right on that blue and put it everywhere. That is bright. Yes. Woo! You see, I've put the blue eyeshadow everywhere that there was concealer, and now we're gonna make it travel a bit and you know, put it a little, lower that a bit, make it go somewhere. No one said eyeshadow just has to be on your eyelid. Like, it's makeup. You can have fun, Nicki was giving editorial vibes back then, so we're gonna give it back, show the love, show the appreciation. Like, she was onto something, and it was too soon. We just weren't ready for it. But now makeup is becoming more expressive, more fun, less rules and boundaries, and we can do whatever it is that our hearts desire. If you want to put glitter on the tip of your nose, go ahead and do that. I support it. So we can't just leave it here. We have to create some depth. So I'm using this blue right here. It's from ColourPop. The shade is 2-piece. Kind of going right here. Can't just have one shade of blue. Gotta have an ocean of blue. Okay, yeah, this is something. Now I don't know if you remember, but Nicki would often have white liner on her waterline, so we're doing that. I'm using, it's the Flash palette, but you can use any white base or cream or pencil that you have. Okay, you might think I look crazy, but I am loving this so far. Like, I just feel like I'm that bitch. So the next thing I'm gonna do for eyes is put some, some black liner. Just a little tiny bits that I look like I have a lash line. So I'm using the Catrice Cosmetics waterproof eyeliner in the shade Black Jack with Black Jack. I like that. For the fun of it, I'm going to be using the pink to fill in, this area right here. Nicki taught me a lot growing up. Like, I don't know where I would have been without her. Like, I actually went through a phase where I thought I could be a rapper too. So that was like a big part of my life, me trying to be a rapper. But other than that, like, I did learn a lot. A 12-year-old me was like, yes, Nicki, bitches is like crabs in a bucket, but I'm still gonna rise. Thank you for telling me what I should do if I see an itty bitty piggy in the market. I'm gonna give her a quarter and tell her to park it. Like, yes, that is information that I need to know to move on with my life. You're right, Nicki. Like, I gotta admit, it is time to step the cookies up. It's time to step the cookies up. It's time for that cotton candy bubble gum, lipstick. So I'm gonna go ahead and make up my own concoction using these colors right here. This is the color that I came up with, and I'm first gonna line my lips with a, brown lip liner so I don't look too crazy. Honestly, this color looks a little bit more purple than it does pink, but it's gonna do. And we're gonna gloss her up a bit. This is the Black Radiance Clear Lip Gloss. Yeah. What we haven't done yet is put on that blush. Like, we can't not put some bright pink blush on. No! Right here, the shade Zane. I'm gonna get that popping. How are you feeling about this? Are y'all loving it as much as I am? Because I'm loving it. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Just a little bit more. Just a little bit more. Also, definitely have to go in with a little bit of mascara. Just on the top lash, though, because we don't want, the black lashes to take away from the white liner, because Nicki didn't do that back then. No, she left it. She let the liner stay white. She committed to that. So we're gonna commit to those white lashes, okay? No, it's not over yet. It's not over yet. You know we have to do the finishing touch, the dramatic lashes. And this is what I have for you guys. You know, we're gonna bring the drama, okay? Like, we gotta commit. Like I said, commit to the boldness. Commit to the oomph, the drama. We gotta do it all. We gotta do it all. Like, I'm sorry I don't have a crazy wig for you today. Like, I already braided my hair today. Like, it is what it is, okay? So the lashes are on, and I was thinking that there's just one more thing missing. Just one more. It's highlighter. Like, I know highlighter didn't become a thing until like 2015, 2016 or whatever, but like, let's adapt to this look. This isn't just regular old Nicki. This is renovated old Nicki. Like, we gotta bring her out to this day, to 2020. Old Nicki is coming back to 2020 right now, okay? I don't know who I think I am right now, but apparently I'm Nicki now. So I'm gonna be using the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Foil highlighter in the shade Sangria Sunrise, or Sangria Sunset. I don't think I'm gonna do it on the cheekbones because there's already enough going on, like right here. So we're just gonna do like the tippy of the nose, and the bridgy and the bully. A little bit more. The underbrowy. 2010 Nicki has come back. She has risen. Ooh, she's here. Like, this is it. I'm not Jasmine. I'm Aladdin. So far, ho, you a stupid hoe. You a stupid hoe. You a stupid hoe. You a stupid. Okay, let me stop right there. It's going down, Barbie, pushing a pink Ferrari. I breeze through Africa just to do the safari. I am the best in America. So this is the finished look. I low-key feel like I look like Nicki Minaj right now, and I'm loving it. I'm indeed 100% loving it. Like, I don't want to take my makeup off. Like, I just feel like I don't know. I'm feeling it. Look at this. I'm a bad bitch. Step your cookies up. Just because you're wondering, I didn't strip naked for like no reason at all. Like, I really put this on because I wanted to get into like the Nicki attitude, you know, like the high-waisted pants and then the, you know, the little bra, but like, you know, I don't got big titties and my stomach a little full, but it's okay. I still feel like Nicki. Anyways, beautiful people, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, all that stuff, and watch my most recent makeup tutorial. And that is all, beautiful people. I send you my love. Mwah!